Today, our student chefs are practicing for the State of Ohio Homegrown Student Chef Showcase. They submitted a recipe utilizing locally procured vegetables, in our case, because our dish is vegetarian, to the state, along with all of the math and nutritional data to support this recipe working as a school meal, something we would actually serve potentially to students. And they were one of 5 schools chosen to compete in the state finals, which is next Friday in Columbus. We worked with 80 Acres. We also worked with Jungle Gyms to procure a lot of these vegetables, and they offer the documentation to prove that it's truly locally sourced.
We are the CLC Bulldogs. I'm Cadence. I'm Clay. I'm Lacey. And we have provided you guys today with a rainbow, spicy, and sweet taco, and it all has locally grown vegetables.
We created this recipe and we had an abundance of admin and students try it, and they all loved it.
We ran a many challenges while creating this dish. We had to learn the dietary facts and the math along with this, so that was a big challenge for all of us. I have learned chef nodding, I have learned julienning, I have learned the process of pickling something. I've also learned their processes, such as processing food and roasting, sauteing as well. And basically that's the rundown of the few that I've learned.
We're very proud of the recipe and the work that the girls have put in. To be 1 in 5, the first year that the state has actually run this competition is something they can be proud of.
Enjoy the food.